Hi, welcome to Miss Amy's Creations. Well, I've gone from canning potatoes to baking today. So, we are going to make some white chip chocolate cookies. So what you need for this is 1 cup of regular sugar, white sugar, 1 cup of butter, and I've just softened mine. I'm going to give that a quick little mix up. To this, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla, and my 2 eggs, give that another quick stir up. Now, I also have in this bowl, I have a 1/2 teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of baking soda, and this is 3/4 of a cup of cocoa. So we're going to add that all in. Just give this a whisk so this is cocoa is such a messy thing. Makes such a powdery. So there we've got our nice chocolate batter. We are going to now, you must spoon back, add 2 cups of all-purpose flour. And we'll get this all mixed in. Now, while you're mixing this, or, getting it ready, you want to preheat your oven to 350. Scrape this flour from the sides. Now we have a nice chocolatey batter. That looks so good. Now to this, we're going to add 1 3/4 cups of white chips. I'm just going to fold those in quick. I absolutely love to bake. And this is a nice cookie that would go on a nice cookie tray for Christmas. Now, I do not make small cookies. So, I have my parchment paper here. I am going to give it a quick little spray, but not much. With the parchment, you shouldn't need much. And I'm going to take a nice large spoon and just spoon this on to our parchment. And then these will just bake for 8 to 10 minutes. Now I'm going to give them lots of space here. So I'm only going to throw 4 on my tray, but alrighty, we'll pop these in the oven, and we'll give them 8 to 10 minutes, and I'll show you how they turn out. Alrighty, y'all. Because I make such big cookies, Mine took about 15 minutes. I also let them cool on the tray for about 5 minutes because of the chips. It makes it much easier. The chips get to harden up slightly. And, oh, that one's gone already. So, like, subscribe, hit the notification. There'll be more. Enjoy. Oh.